Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your bio on Facebook on your phone. So this will work with any mobile device, whether it's Android, iPhone, whatever the mobile phone you have, it's going to be the same process throughout. So you're going to want to go on your Facebook app, and once you're there you're going to want to go to your profile, and how you get there is by clicking the bottom right hand corner where the little three lines are. Click there, then it's going to get to this menu, then you want to click your profile at the top. You're going to see your name there. And then once you're there, you're going to want to scroll down just a little bit until you see Edit Public Details. So then you're going to want to click Edit Public Details right there. And then scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to see Bio. Just describe yourself. So you're going to want to click Add if you don't have one already. So then you can also make this like this bio here is going to be public for all your friends to see, etc. So just for an example, I'm just going to say I make how-tos. So this is the example of how to make one if you haven't already. How to make how-to videos, and then I'm going to go ahead and save that once it's done. So then when you see that, you want to go back on your profile. Like you can refresh the page. You can see at the bottom there my name, and then how I make how-to videos. And then if you want to like if you've already got one and you want to edit it again, you just go in there and you click edit. It's going to have this edit or remove here, so you can edit the bio. So I make how-to video clips or whatever, just for example. So that's how it's like edited. It's the exact same thing pretty much. And you go back into the profile and you see it's changed. Then if you want to remove it entirely, if you have one you just want to remove it, you want to click edit, but instead of edit bio, you click remove. And then once it's removed, you can go back onto your profile and you can see it's gone right there. So that's all the things you could do with your bio. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on one of the videos on screen to see other Facebook how-tos. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.